Hi, I'm Peter Haddock. I'm here at the AMPS conference with Gavin from Dale Power Solutions. Gavin, founder members with AMPS here. You've just been in the conference for a full day. You know, a lot has been discussed about the industry. What are your key takeaways?
Key takeaway from today is that how important events like today really are for the industry. I think I learned probably 4 or 5 key things about what's going on in the industry at the moment in regards to the data centers, maintenance regimes, specifics about fuel that I'm going to take back, as important information to disseminate through our company. As long as you have organizations like AMPS who have a bigger remit to collect and consolidate the important information in the industry down to be able to give it to us in the industry event days, it means that it saves a lot of time and effort for us trying to do that ourselves.
And so you're being founder members, that membership has over the years and continues by the sounds of it to deliver for your business so you can deliver for customers.
I think absolutely. I think it's very tied in to quality and delivery, to standards. And, Dale Power is a company that operates at a high level, providing high quality of delivery, high quality of products. How do you know you're delivering high quality products, high quality standards? Because you're measuring yourself against industry standards. Where do you understand industry standards? From organizations like AMPS.
Yep.
I'm sure that was why Leonard Dale, the founder of Dale Power Solutions back in the day, was interested to get together with other like-minded organizations and founded AMPS to begin with.
Fantastic to meet you here today and great to see you.
Yeah, all right, thank you.